What is this? What is this? What is this? See this in the liquor store? Intimidated, not sure what it is. Is it cardamom? It's not cardamom. It's not cardamom at all. Do you even know what cardamom is? If you don't, you can scroll back a little bit on Instagram and learn all about that little funky spice. However, that's not what this is. Cardamaro. Cardamaro is a wine-based aperitif, right? What does that mean? It means that it's infused wine that's been infused with like cardoon and thistle and is aged in oak. And then you use it as a very bitter ingredient in lovely cocktails such as daiquiris or old fashions or different, bourbon drinks, Manhattans, whatever you want. It's kind of like you use it as you like, or you can sip it. Why am I showing you this? Right? Do I work for them? I do not. Is Cardamaro amazing during the holidays? It is. It gives a certain level of, bitter happiness that makes all the holidays seem a little bit sweeter. It has this great, beautiful, great brandy nose to it, aromatic, mixed flowers, herbs, all those wonderful things. But I mentioned this thing called cardoon, and you're like, what is that? Well, cardoon is, the best way to describe it is a leafy part of an artichoke stem. It is not technically from there, but it looks just like that. And if you've ever seen a baby of rhubarb, but when it's really, really green and leafy, it kind of looks like that. So it makes this beautiful bitter thing, and the Italians really do know how to find those ingredients to just make the bitter oh so nice. So drink it as a digestif, add it to your cocktails, but enjoy it because it's one of those things that once you love it, you'll always love it. So cheers.